learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Tumlua Township, Miaoli County is home to a Hakka Cultural Center with a difference. Breaking the mold of traditional design, the building is designed to harmonize with its natural surroundings, reflecting the Hakka ideal of respect for Mother Nature. The Miaoli Hakka Cultural Center embodies the principles of feng shui, care for the environment, effective use of natural resources, the importance of family, and changing with the times. With its high-level green building certification, the center forms an important link with the past while embracing the latest green technology.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
各位聽眾朋友，你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。Leo 來，今天來到我們這邊要來介紹好玩的地方了。
超高，要帶大家去的地方呢，就是我的故鄉苗栗縣。
苗栗縣 ，OK。That is Leo's hometown, okay? Miaoli County. There's got to be more stuff that he can introduce from there.
有一個地方叫做苗栗客家文化園區。
這我可以很容易翻譯了嘛，就是苗栗客家文化園區，對不對？
對，你還翻不出來，我就打你屁股了。
That was pretty easy to translate. It's the Hakka Culture Museum or Cultural Park in Miaoli. Okay, so what's different about this cultural park?
它是一個很新的一個客家文化園區，然後裡面的建築非常非常的漂亮，而且呢有綠建築的證書哦。
Oh, okay, so this is a fairly new park that they constructed, and there's a lot of preservation of nature, of course, in the park, aside from the green technology. 顺便教一下大家自然怎么说，因为它有很多自然生态在里面嘛，对不对？
刺眼。
Okay, that's how you say nature, all right? There's a lot of that in this park, but I'm sure there are other things that are special. 还有什么地方比较特别一点的？
那个园区里面呢，就是小朋友去你会发现有好多好玩的东西譬如说那个电话亭啊，它的电话拿起来不是让你打电话，是里面会有人教你讲客家话。
等一下，我们会看到电话拿起来，不是要打电话，而是教你客家话。
对
，That is adorable. That's cute. You might find a phone in there, a phone booth there, and when you pick it up, it's not for you to make calls. They actually teach you Hakka lessons through that phone. Oh, okay, so pick it up and learn. Oh, very, very good. Okay, so this is all again in 苗栗县，它是在这个铜锣那边，对不对？
铜锣，
铜锣 Okay, that's the township that it's in. And next time you're in Miaoli, definitely go visit it. Again, it's the Miaoli Hakka Culture Center, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.